curried beetroot mung bean stew or curried mung beans beetroot stew or curried beetroot stew with mung beans. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the beans recipes and one of the most different of the beetroot recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the stew recipes. Today we are going to make curried beetroot mung beans stew. The ingredients are 1 beetroot, around 100 grams cut into pieces, 1 tomato cut into pieces, around 1 spoon of coriander seeds, 1 spoon of fennel seeds, 25 grams of ginger, 20 shallots, 25 grams of garlic, and 1/2 piece of lemon. 100 grams of mung beans soaked in water for 30 minutes. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Now put in the coriander seeds. Put in the fennel seeds and ginger. Put in the garlic. Salt the garlic thoroughly with the rest of the mixture. Until the garlic turns slight yellow. Keep on sauteing. shallots, salt the shallots with the rest of the mixture. Salt until they lose the pinkish color. Keep on salting. Salt and mix thoroughly. Thoroughly salt and mix. Salt. Now put in the tomato pieces. Salt. Salt. Tomato pieces with the rest of the mix. Now put in the beetroot pieces. Toss the beetroot pieces with the rest of the mixture. Toss thoroughly. Now squeeze in the juice of half the lemon. Salt thoroughly and mix the lemon juice with the rest of the mixture. Keep on salting. Thoroughly mix. Put in salt to taste. Mix thoroughly. thoroughly mix. Now let the mixture rest for 15 minutes and cool down. Now put in the mixture that we ground into the grinder. Close and grind well. Now heat the pan and pour in 5 ml of oil. Put in the red chillies. Put in the ground beetroot mixture that we made earlier. Salt. Salt already. Keep on salting. Salt for 3 to 5 minutes. Now pour in 200 ml of water. Mix. Mix thoroughly. And let the mixture boil. Now put in the mung beans into the mixture. Mix. Let the mixture cook for 20 to 25 minutes in the pressure cooker. Mix the mung beans with the rest of the mixture and let the mixture cook for 20 to 25 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now the curried beetroot mung bean stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final curried beetroot mung beans stew, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the beetroot recipes and one of the most different of the mung beans recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the beans recipes and one of the most different of the stew recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.